In this video, we are looking at this Jet Blaster from CowRC. Literally, probably one of the best little RC dust blower thingamajiggers that you can get that is on the market. I'm going to be showing you what's in the box and comparing it head to head versus some of the maybe cheap ones that you see out there online all the time. Is this really any better? Is it not? That's what we're going to be looking at today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Troy. This is RoadsideRC. You'll tend to find me bashing or crawling or drifting or racing, plus doing product review videos and how-tos. Let's get started by looking at what's in the box with this blower. So the Jet Blaster itself comes like this. Do not block inlet and outlet warning on it on the front side. You can get these little stickers that I put on here separately for it. And then this is your speed up and down control along with your power button there on the bottom. I've already plugged this one in and gotten it charged up. It comes with a whole bunch of different little accessories. And I'm going to be honest, I don't actually understand all of them. Charging cable, you know, you can get down to little itty bitty blowers there. The one that I thought was super cool actually goes in there and then has a brush at the front. So if you want to brush parts off to loosen the dirt while blowing it, this right here I think is super key. But of course you can run just a normal reducer or a very extreme reducer if you want. We have it on, have just the normal reducer on it. And it blows pretty good. And I'm trying to figure out, how do I show you how good this thing blows? So what we have here to compare, I got a little Daruma doll, and I've got one of the GT Power. This is just one of the normal ones that you see. And I'm going to stand here this distance away, and we're going to blow that doll. And it moves it a little bit, right? It's shaking it. It's trying. I'm going to come back on just with the small reducer here. I'd say I think it moves a little bit more air. What do you think? If I look at the underside of my drift body here, it's got a lot of dust on it here. I don't know, hopefully you can actually see that in the camera. If I take that GT Power blower, got a little bit of it off, but not a whole lot. What if I take this one? Even more. But of course, if I use the brush attachment, that's really cool. I love it. That is pretty dang trick. This is the other part here that I don't exactly know what I'm going to use it for, but I imagine the day when it comes, it'll be useful. This is a vacuum adapter, so it's got a little flapper valve there. So you can hook it up here, but it's not going to do anything because it's trying to blow air towards the flap. So it needs to go the other direction, and it says this is the vacuum adapter. So you can put it on here, hold it onto the inlet side. You can put vacuum onto something. I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but it's kind of cool that it exists. Well, that works quite well. No, it doesn't remove the rock that was wedged in there. So if you're in the market for one of these little blowers, then I highly recommend this CowRC one. I have not seen another one that worked as good as it is. And of course, while you're there checking them out, you'll see I'm literally using a CowRC. This is a magnetic mat that I use to work on stuff with. I got my little screw holders over there from them. I've got a cow snot. I've got the udder butter back there. I've got the conformal coating. I've got a whole bunch of products for you to check out. So if you are in the market for some of this stuff, give that CowRC a shot. They're sold in a lot of different places. Like I usually pick up a lot of my stuff straight from AMain Hobbies or straight from CowRC themselves. So if you're in the market for this stuff, I will leave a link to these products that I use down in the video description. That way you can just click on them and get them easily yourself. If you have any questions about it, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.